Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here. You can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And today's video is a little bit of a gripe session for me. So what happens a lot of times ahead of a big Apple product launch, there are companies in China that will go ahead and make mock-up or dummy devices for a variety of different reasons based on schematics. Historically, the devices that I've been able to get my hands on, we've had them for the new iPhones, the new iPad Pros, the new iPad Air, stuff like that. Historically, all these dummies that I've gotten from this source have been accurate. They have been pretty much spot on in their physical dimensions and everything else. Some things get left out a little bit. Cameras are not always accurate because they go on the camera bump and that's all that's shown in the schematic. So what the actual modules on the camera can differ with what we actually get when they're released. Same thing with the screens. We don't exactly know where the Face ID cutout, the True Depth camera system cutouts are on the iPhones, or whatever else is on the front, because a case will only go around that edge. So these schematics that they'll find from case manufacturers or whatever like that will have some of those details left out. And actually, before the iPad Pro announcement, I had my hands on dummy units, and while those are useless to me now to show you guys, they did end up lining up with the exact ones that Apple came out with, even slightly thicker on the iPad Pro front, the 12.9-inch iPad Pro front. But I also got my hands on a mock-up dummy unit of Apple's forthcoming iPad Mini 6th generation iPad Mini. So that's this. And I'm pretty disappointed. I didn't fully know what to expect, and we'd heard a bunch of different rumors. So to catch you kind of up, we'd heard rumors of a possible redesign coming to the iPad Mini. That'd bring it up a little bit more in spec in terms of what it can do, as well as the display. Going from a 7.9-inch, an 8-point-something-inch display, a little bit larger, reduce those bezels down a little bit, stuff like that. And possibly, maybe switch over to USB-C, we don't know, but I got my hands on this dummy unit, and it looks exactly the same. Exactly the same. The edges, everything's the same. The power buttons, all the same. Not even an enhanced camera module with maybe an upgraded camera in there, but the camera bump is the same. No kind of protruding camera at all, just a single lens going on there. We have the same front, the screen size. It's kind of hard to tell on camera because it's super faint, but there is a differentiation between where the screen is and where the black bezel is. But even the black bezels look like they do on the existing generation. We have our home button with Touch ID at the bottom. Even the port, if I plug in a USB-C cord lying here, even lining up the size of the port on the bottom doesn't match with USB-C, but rather it looks to still appear to be Lightning. So even the port size on this doesn't line up with USB-C, which really means that if we do get an updated iPad Mini, we could be looking at simply just another processor upgrade. So going from the 4th to 5th generation iPad Mini, there was about a 3.5-year gap. Now the current generation, the 5th generation iPad Mini that's out there on the market, debuted in March of 2019, and it had an A12 processor, 3 gigs of RAM, I believe an upgraded Retina display, some minor changes like that, as well as support for Apple Pencil. So it's now been over 2 years, since we're in 2021 now, and we still don't have an updated model of these. Apple could wait a whole other year, but recent analysts and rumors, Ming-Chi Kuo, all says that could be coming mid-2021. But if this schematic leak, this dummy unit, does turn out to be accurate, it looks like it could be another minor refresh for Apple's iPad Mini. Now, I know a lot of people are disappointed that the iPad Mini could keep its same design that it has in the past, but there is a big reason for that. A lot of companies use iPad Minis. iPad Minis are bought en masse, and because of that, people have a lot of cases, stands, and all of that they're kind of investing in. So Apple generally doesn't want to tinker too much with iPad Mini's design because it is a lower volume tablet in terms of sales to consumers, but it is bought so much for warehouse and commercial applications that a lot of them are not going to bother upgrading when they have the infrastructure, stands, cases already in place for the existing designs. So Apple would likely upgrade, just like they did in 2019 after 3.5 years, upgrade it to bring it, on spec with other stuff. I mean, A12 processor is still not terrible in this guy, but if Apple did upgrade it with like an A13 Bionic processor or something like that, it would make it even faster, but keeping it the same design so that it still works with existing cases, mounts, and accessories that are already being employed by a lot of businesses and, commercial buyers. So that's one reason that Apple may choose to keep the iPad mini the same design. But even with that, they could possibly increase the screen size. And like I did say, I would believe that the screen on this may not be perfectly accurate. Maybe the physical aspect of it is accurate, but we could see that larger display still come here. But I'm kind of disappointed. Really, that's all this is, showing off what we believe the new iPad mini could look like, and that I am disappointed that we're not going to get a little bit more. I just really like the iPad mini. It's kind of a fun device. It does have, it's a little expensive for where it is in the lineup, but it feels like a premium device, like a smaller package, and it just feels nice. It feels cool to use, and it's kind of a good option. Like my bigger, I usually have a 12.9-inch iPad, which is too much, and sometimes I don't want to be putting stuff or editing stuff on my phone, and I wish I had like Apple Pencil support sometimes. So this is a good medium device for traveling for me, and I kind of was hoping for a little bit more in the 6th generation iPad mini. There was rumors that were saying there was small stuff coming, but this may or may not be it. May or may not be the new iPad mini. But let me know what you guys think. Reach me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Andrew_OSU. And let me know what you guys want to see in a new iPad mini, and if you think this is going to turn out to be what we see when Apple does drop the updated device later this year.